let A is equal to 2 comma 0 and B is equal to 6 comma 4 be 2 points if line segment AB is rotated about A through an angle 45 degree in the negative, then the coordinates of B after the rotation are. Okay, now first of all, let A is 2 comma 0 and B is 6 comma 4, and this is distance between, to find distance between AB. Now this is 2 minus 6 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. This is 4 square is 16 plus 16, this is root 32. Now using the verification of the answers, now the coordinates of B, verified the coordinates of B. Easy answer, find out coordinate of B. Okay, now the point rotated about A, now the distance is equal. Now this is the second one is A 2 comma 0. Now the answer 2 comma 4 root 2. Now the distance between the 2 points, 2 minus 2 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 root 2 whole square. This is 0 and this is 16 into 2. This is equal to root 2 30. Now the distance between AB is root 32 and answer is verified the coordinates of B. Now this is about A, the point and the distance is equal. So answer is the coordinates of B after the rotation are 2 comma 4 root 2. Now the answer is 2. So this is the coordinate of B is 2 comma 4 root 2. Okay. To which the origin has to be shifted to the eliminate x and y terms in the equation. Now this is given equation 2x square plus 3y square minus 12x minus 12y plus 21 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, 2g is equal to minus 12, this is g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to minus 12, and this is f is equal to minus 6, and this is c is equal to 21. Now therefore the new origin, now they shifted to the origin, that means new origin means is equal to minus g by a minus f by b, and this is substitute the values in this point. Now this is minus of minus 6 by a is 2, and this is minus of minus 6 by b means 3, and this is 6 by 2 is 3, 6 by 3 is 2. Now the new origin is 3 comma 2. Now the point which origin has to be shifted is 3 comma 2. Now the answer is 3 comma 2. Okay. Now see the board. The point 3 comma 2 undergoes the following 3 transformations in the order given. Now 3 conditions. First one, reflection about the line is y is equal to x, and the second point, translation by the distance is 1 unit in the positive direction of x-axis, and the third one is rotation by an angle pi by 4 about in the anti-clockwise direction. Then the final position of the point is, that means first option minus root 18 comma 8 root 18, second option minus 2 comma 3, third option 0 comma 18, and fourth option 0 comma 3. Now first we observe that the point 3 comma 2. Now applying 3 conditions, first one by one. Now the first point is Now this is first of all reflection of reflection of 3 comma 2 about the line y is equal to x is 2 comma 3. Now the first point is completed, and next continuation translated by the distance 1 unit in the positive direction of x-axis. That means the distance of 1 unit in the x coordinate adding. Now this is translation and translation by the distance 1 unit in the positive direction of x-axis. That means adding x coordinate in the distance is 1 unit. Now that means 2 plus x coordinate is 2. The distance 1 unit in the positive direction of x-axis. Adding x coordinate distance is 1. Now that means point 3 comma 3. Point is 3 comma 3. This is small x and small y. Okay, this is small x and small y. Now the rotation by an angle pi by 4 about the anti-clockwise direction. Underline the anti-clockwise direction. That means rotation about an angle pi by 4 about the direction means only theta is pi by 4. But anti-clockwise direction means theta is equal to minus pi by 4. Now mention here, this is important point. Here theta is equal to minus pi. But why? Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now to the final conclusion, then the final position of the point is final position of the point is, that means final point of the position is capital X comma capital Y. So this is capital X is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, and this is capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay. Now already see the table, and this is capital X is equal to small x cos theta plus y sin theta, and this is capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now substituting these values in theta, now the x and capital X and capital Y. So this is small x, and this is cos of minus pi by 4, and this is plus y means 3 into sine of minus pi by 4. Okay. Now 3 into cos of minus theta, and this is cos theta, so 1 by root 2, plus this is sine of minus theta is minus sin theta. That means 3 into sine pi by 4, 1 by root 2. This is 3 by root 2 minus, and 3 by root 2 is 0. So capital X is 0. Now verify the options 3 or 4, but y coordinate find out. And this is capital Y is equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. That means minus 3 into sine pi by 4, and this is minus 1 by root 2 plus y means 3 into 1 by root 2, and this is 3 by root 2 plus 3 by root 2. This is 6 by root 2, that is equal to 3 into 2 by root 2, and this is 3 into root 2, that means root 18. Now this is 3 square is 9, 9 into 2 root 18, that means 3 comma. Therefore the final, that is then the final position of the point is capital X comma capital Y is equal to 0 comma root 18. The most very important concept and very important bit. Okay, so now the answer is 0 comma root 18. So option is 3. Okay, now see the board. ఎలాగో మెర్జ్ చేయాలిగా. To the point AB by A minus B comma 0, then the equation of A minus B into x square plus y square minus 2ab x is equal to 0, then it's become the equation. Now answers 1 2 3 4, we find it the solution. Okay, and this is now first we origin is shifted to the point some h comma k is equal to ab by a minus b comma 0. This is h is equal to ab by a minus b, and this is k is equal to 0. So here h is equal to ab by a minus b, and this is k is equal to 0. Oh, okay, now they become the equation, and this is small x is equal to capital X plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, and this is small x is equal to h capital X plus ab by a minus b, and this is y is equal to capital Y plus 0. That means small y is equal to capital Y. Now substituting the values small x comma small y in this given equation. Oh, now therefore a minus b into this is x means x plus ab by a minus b whole square, this is x square, plus small y means capital Y square, minus 2ab into capital X plus ab by a minus b is equal to 0, and this is solving the equation. So a minus b into this is x square plus a square b square by a minus b whole square plus 2ab by a minus b into x, this is capital X, plus y square, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, and this is minus 2ab capital X minus 2a square b square by a minus b is equal to 0, and this is solving x square plus y square, this is a square a minus b into something is a minus b into a square plus b square by a minus b whole square, this is a single term, so a minus b by cancel, so a square b square by a minus b, a square b square by a minus b. Okay, nothing. Next, a minus b into 2ab by a minus b, a minus b is cancelled, plus 2abx minus 2abx is cancelled, so total final answer is a minus b into capital X square plus capital Y square, this is plus 2abx and minus 2abx is cancelled, and this is a minus b into a square b square by a minus b, and this is a minus b whole square into x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. But we observe this is a square b square, a square b power 4, a square b power 4, a square b power 4. This is wrong. 4 options. Now, and this is wrong 4 options. Now the answer is a minus b whole square into x square plus y square is equal to a square b square. We observe this term, a square b square. So now the answer is to this problem. Okay, a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square into x square plus y square is equal to a square b square. So now the answer is wrong. Now the answer is this is. Okay, and joining a 3 comma 0 and b 5 comma 2 is rotated about the point in anti-clockwise sense 3 is an angle pi by 4, and b moves to c if the point d with the reflection of c in the y-axis, then d. Now so the answer is, and this is a is equal to 3 comma 0, this is x1 y1 about the point a, that means x1 y1, and this is b is equal to 5 comma 2, the difference between ab is equal to root of 3 minus 5 whole square, that means minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, this is minus 2 whole square, 4 plus 4, and this is root 8, this is equal to 2 root 2, that means the distance between ab is r is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, now angle is we observe the carefully the line segment AB. Okay, the line segment AB through an angle pi by 4. That means theta is equal to adding pi by 4 plus pi by 4, because the line segment AB, the inclination of an angle which makes an angle is 45 degree. Now adding 45, but given angle is 45 degree and inclination of an angle is 45 degree. That means pi by 4 plus pi by 4. This is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So and therefore small x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. This is parametric equations. Now x1 is about A. Now the point, now the rotated about the point A. That means x1 y1. That means x1 plus x1 means 3. This is r is 2 root 2 into cos 90 degree, and this is y is equal to 0 plus 2 root 2 into sin 90 degree, and this is um, cos 90 cos 0 1 cos 90 is 0, so this is 3, and this is y is equal to sin 90 is 1, this is 2 root 2. So now the point 3 comma 2 root 2, the point 3 comma 2 root 2, and if the point D, now the reflection of C in the y-axis is, now D is equal to, therefore D is equal to, therefore D is equal to reflection of C. Now that's some important word. Now the D point is reflection of C in y-axis. Now the reflection of C, D is equal to the reflection of C in y-axis is reflection of y-axis in C is equal to minus 3 comma 2 root 2. Okay, minus 3 comma 2 root 2. Now the answer is first option. Line segment joining A2, 0, B3, 1 is rotated about the point A in anti-clockwise direction through an angle 15 degree, and B moves to C, then the coordinate of C is. Now, and this is let A is equal to 2, 0, this is x1, y1, rotated about the point x1, y1, A. And this is B is equal to 3, 1. Now the distance between AB is, distance between AB is 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square, and this is root 2. Now R is equal to AB is equal to root 2, and this is x is equal to x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, and this is x1 means 2 plus r root 2 into, now theta is equal to 45 plus 15, because line segment joining the angle 45 degree plus 15, and this is theta is 60 degree, that means cos 60 degree. So this is equal to 2 plus root 2 into cos 60 1 by 2, and this is 2 plus root 2 by 2, and this is 2 to the 4 plus root 2 by 2, and capital Y is equal to y1. Y1 means 0 plus r root 2 into sin theta, that means sin 60 degree, and this is root 2 into root 3 by 2, and this is root 6 by 2. Now the coordinate of C is equal to 4 plus root 2 by 2 comma root 6 by 2. So now the option, now the coordinate of C is 4 plus root 2 by 2 comma root 6 by 2. This is the answer. Now the answer is C. That means 4 plus root 2 by 2 comma 6 root 6 by 2. to the points 7, 3 and 5, 1 meets the x-axis at P. If the line is rotated through an angle 30 degree in the anti-clockwise direction about P, then the slope of its mu position. Now first of all, angle made by the line, angle A, line AB with the x-axis at P is theta is equal to 45 plus 30 degree, and this is 75 degree, and therefore slope of its new position is slope of its new position is m is equal to tan theta, that means tan 75 degree, and this is 2 plus 2 3. Now the answer is third option. Okay. x1 y1, b x2 y2, and c x3 y3 be the vertices of triangle ABC of area is 5 square units. Then the area of triangle when the origin is shifted to 2, minus 1. Now this is when the origin is shifted to when the origin is shifted to 2, minus 1, then the area remains unaltered. That means shift origin అనేది ఏరియా దగ్గర షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వదు. So that means now the answer is 5 square units. Okay, because area of the triangle ABC is 5 square units and the origin is shifted to 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1 ఆరిజిన్ దగ్గర ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది షిఫ్ట్ అవ్వదు. అలాంటప్పుడు దాని యొక్క ఏరియా అనేది 5 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ గానే ఉంటుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ అన్ఆల్టర్డ్ మీన్స్ మారనటువంటి విలువ. దట్ మీన్స్ 5 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్. నౌ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 5 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్. Plus y square is equal to a square is transformed equation of x square plus y square is equal to 9. When the axis are rotated through an angle 9.5 degree, then the value of a. That means the solution is very simple. Now observe the equation x square plus y square is equal to a square. Comparing with x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here a square is equal to 9 and this is a is equal to 3. Now the value is a is 3. Okay, angle తో అవసరం లేదు. Okay, now observe the comparing with the equations. This is a square is equal to 9 and this is a is equal to 3. Now the answer is a is equal to 3. When the axes are translated to the point minus 2, 3, the transformed equation of the curve is, now the given curve, now this is given curve is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square minus 4x minus 22y plus 7 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, 2h is equal to 4 and b is equal to 5, 2g is equal to minus 4 and 2f is equal to minus 22, c is equal to 7 and this is h is equal to 2 and this is g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 7. Now the point hf minus bg by ab minus h square comma gh minus af by ab minus h square. Now the substituting values in this point, this is equal to required minus 2, 3 point. This is x1, y1. Okay, now therefore the transformed equation of the curve, the transformed the transformed equation is a capital X square plus 2hxy plus by square plus of gx1 plus fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Now see the equation in transformation of axis key points, and this is a means 2x square plus 2 into h is 2 xy plus b. Where is b? B means 5y square plus g means minus 2x1 plus f minus 11y1 plus c. This is 7 is equal to 0, and therefore 2 capital X square plus 4xy plus 5y square minus 2x1 minus 2x1 x1 means minus 2 minus 11 into y1 means 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. This is now the required answer is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square plus 4 minus 33 plus 7 is equal to 0 and this is 2011, and therefore 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square, and this is 11 minus 33, and this is 22 is equal to 0. Now the transformed equation of the curve is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5y square minus 22 is equal to 0. Once again I repeat, when the axes are rotated through an angle, when the axes are rotated to the point minus 2 comma 3, the transformed equation of the curve, given original equation of the curve, comparing these values, and this is a, b, c and h, g, f. For the point minus 2 comma 3, this is x1, y1. Now the transformed equation of the required equation is this one, and substituting these values, and this is required answer is 2x square plus 4xy plus 5x square minus 22 is equal to 0. Okay, this is important. Angle of rotation of axis, so that the equation is root 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 may be rotated to the form is y is equal to constant is. That means given equation root 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing with x plus b plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 1 and c is 5, and this is maybe now find out the angle, and this is reduced to the form y is equal to constant is. That means theta is equal to tan inverse of minus a by b. This is formula. Y is equal to constant is theta is theta is equal to tan inverse of minus a by b. That means tan inverse of minus a. Okay, that means minus root 3 by minus 1, and this is tan inverse of root 3, and this is tan inverse of tan 60 degrees root 3, and this is tan inverse of tan theta. That means theta is 60 degree. This is equal to pi by 3. Now